This is Mobility Project here, and this is detailing a line that goes from Philadelphia to Hagerstown, which is a small city, but it's the beginning of a much longer line that may connect to cities like larger cities like Roanoke, Kingsport, and Knoxville. By the way, after a few videos, we're packing up and moving to the southeast of the United States, starting with an all-aboard Florida map, which will come relatively soon, and connecting to what we are doing right now. And this is why we're preparing to leave, or as it's colloquially known as the South, even though the geographic South includes everything out all the way to California. I'm having some technical difficulties. Continue working. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so back to what I am doing. So, sorry about the technical difficulties that I was having. So we start out at Philadelphia 30th Street Station and continue northwest along the already proposed Philadelphia to Harrisburg line. And we continue on that line out to Lancaster. Right here we diverge onto a very curvy line, which requires a lot of curve straightening, and then over a bridge that was specifically selected to lay down gritters on these three islands to make it less costly to build and easier to build. And then we continue on an existing line out to the already proposed Baltimore to Harrisburg line, which we follow out to Spring Grove, where we diverge again, go to Hanover on a new line. Then we go on a new alignment from Hanover to Gettysburg, and then from Gettysburg out to join an existing alignment with curve straightening and curve cutting out to Blue Ridge Summit, where we continue southwest to Hagerstown. By the way, this line will have only three regional stops: Lancaster, York, Gettysburg, and Hagerstown. Nothing in between Gettysburg and Hagerstown is big enough to warrant putting a stop, and on certain routes it will be as simple as Philadelphia, maybe Lancaster and York, I'm not sure, and then Hagerstown. No stop at Hanover or Gettysburg. As I told you, we're wrapping up the line, so you may see some new track that I've made. That new track is track that is going to be used in 2 other videos before we wrap up and move south. Anyway, this is Mobility Project signing off.